Hey my babies, and we're back with another video. And my big sis hooked it up with the crab oil. So, and yes, Jasmine cooks better than I do. I'm gonna turn on the air so y'all can really get into this and really appreciate this Miss Masterpiece. You know what I mean? Really, really. Like for real, for real. You know, appreciate this work of art. That's what this is for real. Like for real, y'all. Like, I be feeling like, you know what I mean? And the butter and stuff at the bottom. She's gonna dip your hand in it. Imagine you somewhere miserable talking about me and I'm eating crab legs. Do do do. The butter just shoot in your mouth. If you know, you know. You know what I mean? Ooh, look at that. Crab from the claw. And then dipping it in this butter. And then finishing. Like, I'm really not doing this justice, y'all. Like, and the potato. Sauce it. And then the butter. And everything is just so flavorful. Since you did your big one, your big one. Oh no. The shrimp, you just gotta peel it, dip it. This corn is so motherfucking good. Y'all, and I'm not. Jasmine, marry me. Marry me. Incest, fuck it. Fuck it. Because no matter what I do, no matter how hard I try, how much I try to study, it never comes out like that. And I hate to be sitting here being this motherfucking greedy like this. But Oh my goodness. What you think? She did her big thing? So who crab boil you be liking better, hers or mine? Or is it different? Whose is better? Hers? Is that what? Hers or mine? Both. No, you just said hers, and then you see my face, and then you're gonna say mine. Bro, you can't even boil ramen noodles. The fuck is you talking about, boy? Bro, I'm trying to talk shit, bitch. Mine is just as good. What the fuck you talking about? It's just different. Like, my sister can cook for real. Like, it's like hers is not, it's perfectly seasoned. It's not over seasoned. It's not, it's just flavorful. Me, I season like seasoning is going out of style. I ain't gonna be no seasoning next semester or next season. Ooh, y'all, I was just being too fat. Let me see. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm supposed to be visiting some friends. And look at me now. I'm gonna have to turn, especially my shirt. But this one of the meals, like, you didn't play. I'm just like, shit. Seafood is expensive. These clusters was like, the packages was, you know what I mean? But I really did it for my daughter. Me and my daughter gotta eat good. I mean, too. But, yeah. Better. So, y'all better turn the fuck up today, for real. The bitch is full, as the verb. Let's talk about it. Because, you know what I mean? If you can't go, what's deep? What's too deep? Because bet you I make it disappear. You know what I mean? Like, what is it? Honestly, we're not gonna do that on this. Excuse me. But fuck, man, this shit is so good. This dude really did an amazing job, for real. No shade, no shade. I know I was trying to be fake offended. He said my sister's was better, but it is better, you know what I mean? A little bit. It's definitely better than his sister nasty ass shit that I seen. That overcooked ass shrimp. At least I didn't fuck it up like her. I wouldn't even ate that shit. I knew when she was texting asking what the seasoning with it, she was about to fuck that shit up. No shade though, girl. That ass getting fat. But just some people can cook, some people can't. Shit, I don't take it no offense. People motherfuckers say I can't cook. My sister, my blood sister say I can't cook. And I ain't the best, y'all. But I ain't the worst. No. It's just like the butter. I wish I could show y'all the butter. It is so hot. The motherfucker's not trying to have the AC on for whatever reason. Okay. Gotta peel that shrimp. Dip that shrimp. Now y'all make sure y'all eat good. Y'all good. Stop being extra big. Jasmine. What the fuck did she do to it? At Jasmine's Cuisine, you will wait for greatness. But baby, when I tell you it is greatness. Oh my goodness, Jasmine. Thank you. My stomach appreciates you. Look, y'all could let me get a close up on this so y'all can really see how Jasmine coming. Y'all not fucking with her for real. Look at the flavor. Look at that. You would think she was from the NOLA or something. My baby, but nah, she from here. I'm saying, but thank you, sis. Love y'all. Have a good day.